So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to install VoltageOS version 2.6 based on Android 13 for Mi11X Redmi K40 the Poco F3. So the notes are July security patch and Leisha cams included. Also Dolby Atmos with the G apps. So you need to stay on MIUI. You need to remove your MI account. You have to remove your Google accounts. You need to remove your password and security. Once all of them are done, you need to have these two files in your internal storage. It's the firmware and the ROM zip. You should also have TWRP pre-installed. Once you have all of them, we can reboot into recovery by powering off your phone. Now press power and volume up button. So once your recovery is booted, head into wipe, advanced wipe and clear the Dalway card cache. Once that is done, we can go back, go to install and then select the firmware and then uncheck automatically reflash TWRP and then flash the firmware. Once the firmware is installed, we can go back to install, select the ROM and then select automatically reflash TWRP and then swipe to install. So the ROM is flashed successfully. The failed to mount errors can be ignored and also our recovery has been flashed. So now let's head into reboot and then click on recovery. So once the recovery is booted, we can head into wipe, format data and then type in yes. So once your data has been formatted, we can reboot the system. So we had a cool boot animation, so let's start a quick setup. So here we go, the ROM is booted. The wallpaper looks cool. We have Dolby Atmos pre-installed. You also have the camera app, but this is not the MI stock camera. This is the Google camera, which looks decent. We have game space with so many options, and then let's head into settings without wasting any other time. So the ROM is based on Android 13. So the kernel version they're using is no kernel. Now let's head into Power Hub. Under status bar we have double tap to sleep, network traffic monitor, clock style, clock and date, battery styles. Under battery styles we can change it to circle, landscape, hidden, text, fill circle, etc. We have the 4G icon. It displays the 4G icon in the signal instead of LTE, and also the 5G works, as you can see. Under quick settings we have brightness slider, height, QoS and secure lock screen, and data usage. Under themes we have theme styles. We can change the theme styles. Under color we have the color will change according to our home wallpaper, and both will be default. Under buttons we have show volume panel on left, skip tracks with volume buttons, volume, rocker, wake. Under lock screen we have fingerprint authentication, fingerprint error vibration. So if there's an error on fingerprint, it vibrates. We have lock screen charging info. So it's charging, it says the amperes, voltage, wattage and the battery temperature and how long it's going to take to charge. We have ripple effect on unlocking with fingerprint. Under power menu we can add all these options. So we have these new options, we can also remove them. Under notifications we have notification light. We can add apps for the notification light. We also have battery light. We have reticker. It replaced the heads up notification with slim and less and invasive version of redesigned ticker. annoying notifications, plays sounds and vibrations for notification when screen is on. Under miscellaneous, we have pulse. It shows the graph of our song being played. We have Google Storage Unlimited Photos. It spoofs your device as Pixel XL for Google Photos apps and gives you unlimited storage. Unlock higher FPS in games. It's gonna spoof your device in different games and give you higher FPS like 90 in PUBG and 120 in Call of Duty. So here we go. The single core is 1044 and the multi-core is 3300. That's pretty decent. Let's go ahead and test the CPU throttling test. So the graphs are, starting the graph is still 90%, so that's pretty good. The ROM is stabilized and decent looking, and the wallpaper is super cool. And this is how the notification panel looks like, and we also have the 5G working. So if this video helped you on how to install VoltageOS, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.